1. Deep breathing. Deep breathing can help improve lung capacity by delivering more nourishing oxygen to your body. This will strengthen your lungs, clear the airways and cleanse them. Furthermore, it will increase energy and reduce stress. Lie flat on your back in a comfortable place. Place your hands on your stomach at the base of the rib cage. Close your eyes. Breathe in deeply through your nose. 2. Castor oil pack for lung cleansing. You can also make use of a homemade castor oil pack. A castor oil pack stimulates waste elimination and helps draw toxins out of the lungs as well as the uterus, digestive system and liver. It even reduces inflammation and improves lymphatic circulation. Use only organic, cold-pressed castor oil to make the pack. Soak 2 or 3 pieces of wool flannel in 1 cup of warm castor oil. Lie down on a large plastic sheet. Put the soaked wool flannels over your chest and sides. 3. Oregano. Oregano is rich in compounds like carvacrol and terpenes that act as lung cleansing elements. The herb can help reduce inflammation and congestion in the lungs and improve nasal passage airflow and the health of your respiratory tract. Drink 2 cups of oregano tea daily when suffering from asthma or other respiratory problems. You can make the tea by steeping fresh or dried oregano in hot water for about 5 minutes. 4. Licorice. Another effective herb that can cleanse your lungs is licorice. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation of the bronchial tubes. Furthermore, its antibacterial and antiviral properties help prevent and treat mild lung infections, as well as reduce lung irritation due to a sore throat, a dry cough or allergen exposure. A 2002 study published in Planta Medica noted the antimycobacterial and anti-Legionella activity of licorice roots in the treatment of severe lung infections. Drink 2 to 3 cups of licorice root tea for a few days when suffering from respiratory or lung problems. To make the, add 1 teaspoon of licorice powder to a cup of hot water. 5. Ginger. You can also use ginger to detoxify your lungs. It contains several chemical compounds that help the lungs function more effectively by eliminating air pollutants from the air passages before they irritate the lungs. It also improves blood circulation. Furthermore, ginger can even help in the treatment of lung cancer. A 2012 study published in Anti-Cancer Agents in Medical Chemistry indicates the promising chemopreventative effect of ginger extracts against lung cancer. Drink 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea daily to enjoy strong lungs. To make the tea, boil 1 teaspoon of sliced grated ginger in 1 or 1/2 cup. 6. Peppermint. Peppermint is another good option for naturally cleansing your lungs. Peppermint and peppermint oil contain menthol that helps relax the smooth muscles of the respiratory tract. This promotes effortless breathing and helps clear symptoms of any upper respiratory congestion. A 2010 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology noted that the anti-congestive, antispasmodic and expectorant properties of peppermint oil helped relax the trachea in rats. For strong lungs, chew 3 to 5 peppermint leaves each day. To treat congestion, add a few drops of peppermint oil to a pot of hot water and inhale.